Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Number 3. Pathogenic spores and allergenic agents are disseminated widely by aerosols. The dry or wet precipitations considerably clear the aerosols from the atmosphere. Now, we will see some of the pollution related diseases, or we will see what diseases are caused due to various pollutions. Now, several pollution borne diseases are well known. In developing countries, main diseases are infectious and are parasitic in nature, but in developed countries, diseases occur due to industrial, technological, radioactive and chemical pollutions. Now, we will see some of the diseases caused by air and water pollutions. Now, we will see the name of the disease, asbestosis. It is particularly found in asbestos workshops, track miners, rubber workers, etc. It causes air pollution. And symptoms of these diseases is inflammation, pigmentation and fibrosis in lungs. Second disease is allergy diseases. For example, hay fever. It particularly causes by allergic pollens, beads, house dust. And the symptoms of these allergy diseases as like various allergic reactions such as cough, cold, asthma, reddish, blisters, fevers, scattering of eyes. Next disease is Berlinitis, found in workers of Berlin, and the symptoms are various react and respiration problems. Next disease is black lung cancer, now found in coal mine workers, and the symptoms are pulmonary fibrosis, may lead to respiratory failure. Next disease is bronchitis and asthma. It is found in the people exposed to air pollution for a long term, and the symptoms are various respiratory problems and allergy. Now, next is bichinosis, found in textile mill workers, and the symptoms are various respiratory problems and fibrosis. The next disease is cholera. It is a waterborne disease caused due to bacteria Vibrio chlori. Symptoms of this cholera are vomiting, high fever, diarrhea leading to death. Next disease is diarrhea. It is waterborne disease caused due to infectious bacteria like Escherichia coli, and the symptoms is acute intestinal disorder. Next disease is gout. It is found in people inhaling manganese dust and due to dietary disorders, and the symptoms are painful swelling in joints, especially in toes, knees and fingers. Next disease is Hepatitis Jaundice. It is waterborne disease caused by virus, and the symptoms are hepatitis D is fatal and cause death. Jaundice damage livers. Both are hepatic liver diseases. Next disease is Minamata disease. Minamata disease is caused due to mercury poisoning, and the symptoms of this disease is sensory disturbance, muscular rigidity, involuntary movements can lead to death. Next disease is silicosis. It is found in silicon quarries and coal miners, and symptoms are forms nodules in lungs. And next disease is typhoid. So waterborne disease caused due to bacteria, Cholera, typhi and other species. And the symptoms are paralysis of gastrointestinal tract, boils and ulcers are formed in stomach, and bacteria enter in blood stream. Now we'll see some of the diseases of modern age. Nowadays, some diseases are frequently found in human beings which may occur due to pollution as one of the cause. Some examples we can give, that is of the number one, cancer. Smoking is the most common cause of lung cancer. Eating preserved food might lead to oral and stomach cancer. Some industrial pollutants cause cancer. Mammography may induce breast cancer, and ultraviolet radiation can cause skin cancer. Second is leukemia. Sometimes it has been found linked to benzene, which is ingredient of gasoline. It is a serious disease in which too many white cells are produced, which cause acute weakness and sometimes death. Next is viral diseases. Several viral diseases born due to various kinds of pollution, for example HIV, AIDS, polio, dengue fever, hemorrhagic fever, etc., are becoming curse to the common man.